The name of your village. Oh, my darling. And local government. Oji River. Okay. So when you get to Oji River, there is Inyi, there is Achi, there is Akugeze. Which one is that? Is it Inyi, Achi? Which one? Akugeze. Okay. Ngwa, you and Ihuoma, this is for you. Have you written Abumonye? Ihuoma, you've written Abumonye. Fine. So this one I'm writing now is for two of you. Abumonye, Akugeze. Abumonye Akugeze, Oji River local government, the Enugu state. Easy. Ikenna, where are you from? Abia State is a state. I mean the name of your village. You don't know? And local government? You don't know. See why self-introduction is very important. Amara, you and Ikenna, when you get home, please do well to ask mom and dad. Please. Because it can be so embarrassing that someone will ask you, where are you from? You say you don't know. So please ask mom and dad. Okay? In every state we have what is called local government. We call it arms of government, right? It's divided into three. We have the local government, we have, is it the arms? Tiers of government. So we have the local government, we have state, and we have the federal. So, and when you get to the local government, you have, should I call it villages now? Wards, villages that made up the local government. So when you come to a state, you have local governments that made up the state. And then when you come to federal Nigeria now, we have so many states. How many states do we even have in Nigeria? Plus the FCT. So please, when you get to Amara, you think you know? Then tell me. What is that is coming to your mind? Say it. Where? Oh, darling. Alex Oti. Alex Oti is governor of Abia State, so I know you are from Abia State. I am looking for the name of your village and probably the name of a local government. Edemma, it's your turn now. In Abia State. I don't know them. I only know about Umuahia. I don't know the local governments in Abia State. And you can't remember. Don't worry about that. But please, go home, ask mom, and this time around, try to remember. Do you know? We are in Anambra State. Just write this and leave it blank. When you get home, ask mom and then you will fill it. Okay? Ngwa, Edema. We are in Anambra State. Can you remember your local government? Oh dear. Please, children, at this point, I would like to ask us. It's very important that you know where you come from. Are you listening to me? Please, very, very important. For security reasons. How many of us can call our parents' phone numbers? So you can do that. Idima, you don't know mommy's phone number. You know her number. What about daddy's number? You don't know daddy's number. Okay, you know both of their numbers. So please, for security reasons, we need to know all these informations. Okay? Brother? So please, for security reasons, all these things are very important information that you must know. Even if you are sleeping and they wake you up. Juogia, inweike kwuo ya. Inweike si na onye ebe mbo. We are not praying for any misharm, but do you understand? Do you understand me now? Okay. So Idema, you too will have to leave this space. Just write to this place and then leave it. When you get home, you ask mom. Feel it and know it first. Okay? To me? Newi. I know we have Newi South and the North. Okay, we are from Newi, in the Newi North. I can't even hear what you say. Is it Tolo? I know we Newi. I know in Newi. But I don't know if it's Newi North or South. That I don't know. Okay, so but you know you are from, you say Etole, so it should be that Otolo. Okay. Please, when you get to farm, make do with it. So this is for you. Kedu onye na-eme mkpọtụ? Kedu onye na-eme mkpọtụ? Imezi na mkpọtụ. Onye dịka? M ga-akpọkwa gị bịa gụọrọ m ihe a m na-ede. Zuru. Ngwa gwa m. Imo State. Mm-hmm. Imo. Mm-hmm. Ikeduru. Beautiful. Ngwa. Anyị niile bi na Lagos, ọkwa ya? Bi na Lagos. All of us are living in Lagos. Ngwa, ọ bụrụ na ị desigo nke gị ebe a. Ngwa, onye ọbụla. Amara. Arụ ọ dịkwa gị? Oh, darling, you are feeling sleepy. Welcome. Mkpọtụ a. Ngwa. Ebi m na Lagos. Ngwa, onye ọbụla dee ya. Ayedego. Amara. You are not going to write any of these. So. See the only one you will write. Are we done writing? Ayedechago. Ayedechago. Ikenna Kediya. Brother. Ikenna. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write this, but you're not going to fill it with any of these things because you are not from any of these places written down here. Okay? Fine. Just write this and leave a space. When you get home, ask mommy. She will tell you, then she will help you fill it. So when you are done writing this, you write this. This should be your number 4. In fact, this is number 4 for everybody. Any problem again? Ngwan. Emezina mkpọtụ. Mee ngwa ngwa, anyị desia. I ga-ekiri ihe onyonyo. I want us to see a video on places we visit. ngwa anyị edesigo ọkwa ya edechago ngwa anyị ga-agụ ya ofu ofu ngwa.
Aha m bụ Udechi Amaka Precious. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Nọfịa na njikọka Local Government dị n'Anambra Steeti. Ebi m na Lagos.
Ngwa.
Aha m bụ Chisom Fadile. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Otolo Nnewi na Nnewi North Local Government dị na Anambra. Ebi m na Lagos.
Aha m bụ Chimezie Maduwa. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Amimo na Ikeduru Local Government dị n'Imo Steeti. Ebi m na Lagos.
Kụọrọ ya aka, unu ada akụkwa aka. Aha. Ngwa.
Aha m bụ Chidimemeze. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye akụkọ eze na Oji River Local Government dị na Enugu Steeti. Ebi m na Lagos Steeti.
Aha m bụ Samuel Udechukwu-Ebuka. Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Nọfịa njikọka Local Government bụ Anambra Steeti. Ebi m na Lagos Steeti.
Ọ dị mma. Tupu anyị aga n'iru n'ihe ọmụmụ anyị, enwere ihe onyonyo anyị ga-afụ. I want us to see a video on places we visit, and after seeing the video, we'll take it from there. Are we ready? Okay, so. We're going to see a video now. Choka, please.
Yes, for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos, all sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. For your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos, all sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears. In the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp. Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp.